I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling GPS and granting the app location permission. This lets the device acquire satellites faster. Turn on high accuracy or battery-saving mode depending on needs. High accuracy uses GPS plus Wi-Fi for better precision. Once done, open your chosen map, set walk mode, and enter your destination so the app preloads routes and offline tiles if available. Make sure your phone isn't in a heavy case that blocks signal, and confirm you have enough battery for the expected duration. You follow turn-by-turn directions while periodically glancing at the map to confirm your position relative to landmarks. This prevents blind dependence on a single voice prompt. If the route shows elevation or stairs, slow down and switch to pedestrian paths or accessible options when available. Once you notice drift, positions jump, you can toggle GPS off and on, or move to an open area to require satellites. Make sure to keep your movement steady for the sensor fusion to stabilize positioning. You end navigation by stopping the route and saving the location if you want to return. Afterwards, clear the app cache or update offline maps to improve future performance. If your position seems consistently off, calibrate the compass by rotating the phone in a figure eight. This realigns sensors. When nothing helps, reset location services or reboot the device. This often clears persistent errors. If signal loss is frequent, consider a dedicated handheld GPS receiver for better reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.